Greetings, foolish Portal Master. I am Evilon, and you have gazed into the Mirror of Mystery. Soon, I will be putting an end to your wretchedly good and magical Skylands. That is, unless you are brave enough to step through the mirror and confront me.
Oh, wow! We made it! We actually made it!
Oh, there you are, Gladshanks. Say, you're looking marvelous today. And who's this fine fellow you're with?
Lord Chaos? Is that really you?
Why, of course it's me, old buddy, old pal. Aw, classic Gladshanks. Always a laugh riot.
Just what I thought. We've traveled to a mirror universe. Everything is opposite here. Eon is actually called Evilon and is a dark portal master. And Lord Chaos is, nice.
Unfortunately, I do bring bad news, I'm afraid. It appears that dreadful Mabu offense force is planning to attack this happy little troll village. Naturally, I'd offer to defend it myself, but you know me. Team player and completely non-violent. Oh, my poor innocent fish friend. As much as I hate to raise my voice, I need to scare him away from this pond before the village gets attacked. If only Mablobs were here, he'd scare my little fishy friends for me.
Hey, Brother Troll, are you and your big friend here for the peace rally?
Same thing here. In this world, it's the trolls who are happy and peaceful, while Mabu are the mean invaders. I know. Crazy, isn't it? No. But we heard your village was about to be attacked and want to help.
Oh, yeah, that would be cool too. Hey, there might be some old mechs laying around this town. Why don't you see if you can get them up and running?
Sounds good. Thanks, I guess. Could you go check it out, Skylander? I'm going to go explore the town a little. I've got to say, I'm really beginning to like this place.
This lazy troll is supposed to be helping out on the farm, but he's sleeping instead. I don't want to cramp his style or anything, but we got work to do here. Maybe if a chompy came by and gave him a good bite, he'd wake up. That'd certainly wake me up.
Isn't this place great, Skylander?
Nice day, isn't it?
Jumpy. Chompy defeated.
Put a life trap.
Chompy trapped.
Welcome to our village.
Hello, chompy friend.
Yo!
Now just give this sleeping troll a little nip and see if that gets him back on the job. I knew it. I knew that a good biting would wake him up. While I don't believe in violence of any kind, I am fine with someone else doing it. So here, let me give you a little something in return.
That's what I'm talking about!
I love it here.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet ya. Hey, man, forget about all this war business, and let's play some Skystone Smash instead, you dig? Oh, bummer, man. Good morning. Hello, friend. Good morning.
Oh, look, man, I use this mech piece for everything. Cooking, laundry, baths. So if you really want it, I need you to throw some treasure my way. Something.
Nice to meet ya.
All right, well, then a deal has been struck. May the spirit of mech parts be with you always. Yeah.
You did it. You found all the parts we need to rebuild our mech forces and defend this town. And don't worry, I saved this blue one just for you. Hop in! Groovy. Now just lead the other trolls to the outskirts of town and into battle. I should warn you though, they're not the best fighters.
Well, it seems those peace-loving, tree-hugging, cabbage-kissing trolls are actually trying to fight back. Imagine the nerve. Time to show you guys why my catchphrase is boom!
I'm gonna blow you up so bad.
Moblobs.
Villains are stronger in this zone.
Don't tread on me. We come in peace, normally.
Violence is never the answer. Except now.
You won't catch me, but you might catch a blob.
Moblobs defeated.
Put a tech trap in the portal to trap this villain. Clearly.
Whoa! You don't want me, you want the other guy.
Moblobs trapped.
It's crush hour. Reformed. Yeah! Trouble. Ha-ha. Yes! Oh, yeah!
Skylanders of the magic.
Who dares disturb the great Persephone? What's that? A Skylander? I can't stand Skylanders. Oh, how I loathe them. I loathe them extremely. Get the Skylanders, my Mabu super soldiers. Get them! What? Ready for some evil dancing? You make me so angry! You messed with the wrong fairy, Skylander! Beat it! You still stink! Why don't you just beat it? Nobody likes you!
Use this bomb, Skylander. It's super freaky.
Wowzers! You little creeps took out Persephone. Now who's gonna make more Mabu super soldiers? Giving me the old silent treatment, huh? Well, I'm about to give you the loud treatment. Loud as in the sound my bombs make. Which, in case you don't remember, is doom.
I totally rock.
Take that, Skylander creeps! Okay, fine. Have it your way. But Master Evilon's gonna be mad. And believe me, you won't like him when he's mad.
Greetings, Skylander. It is I again, Evilon, your mortal enemy. And I come to you now with a warning. Turn back now. Turn back or meet your ultimate and very messy doom.
Oops. Did I come at a bad time here? Sorry, but I had to tell you, man. Your awesome, heroic deeds have inspired the rest of us trolls to cancel our peace rally and attack Evilon's castle instead. The only thing is, we need some help taking out the Mabu weapons. Hey, maybe you could use this big flying gun right here. It's all coming together now, man. Right on! Now, shoot out those evil Mabu and their evil weapons and, you know, like anything else that looks evil. Come on, stick it to the man. Groovy, man. Nice work. Out of sight. Kind of right. Now, I would never say this at any other point, but you should totally shoot down that tree. Hey, it's that evil Flint! Shoot him, too! Keep shooting, brother! The bad guys, I mean. I'm usually all for non-violence, but this is a war we're fighting. Out of sight!
Be careful, you fool!
Look out below!
No!
Whoa, man, what a battle! You saved our village and helped us get that evil one out of our hair.
Sorry, I missed the whole thing, Skylander. I was actually spending some quality time with Lord Chaos. He's just so much nicer to be around when he's, not being incredibly evil or bent on world domination. I think I could actually stay here forever. No, wait, I don't want to go back!